Hey boys and girls, it's the Truck Mom. Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna go visit our friends over at City Service Paving and see what kind of trucks and equipment they use. Come on! Our favorite thing to do here at the Truck Mom is to check out what kind of trucks they use on the construction site. Ready? We're gonna be looking at an International MV extended cab. Extended cab means that there's room for the whole crew. See? When you open the door, you can see that there's room for the driver. And if you go in the back, that's where the rest of the crew can sit. This International MV has a very special body on it. It's not just a dump truck. Let's see what else it has. This tank is very, very, very special to paving trucks. It's called an emulsion tank. What it does is it gets everything hot, keeps the pumps going, and then, come with me, go around the truck, and then on the other side, what they call the tack will come out of this pipe. That's what makes it sticky, so when they lay the asphalt down, it all can stick together. The dump bed goes up, up, up. And we're gonna move their wheelbarrow over. He's gonna pull the handle and open the gate, and there comes the asphalt. This is my friend Miguel. Miguel, what are you going to show us?
I'm going to show you how the bed goes up.
Whoa! All right, Miguel, show us. Oh, wow. He's using a remote control. See the yellow thing in his hand? He uses a switch and up, up, up goes the bed. Miguel is pulling the handle up and down to let more asphalt out of the gate. There they go, hauling the material over to the site. Wow! Wondered when you're walking around your school or down the street how they make the roads and the sidewalks so smooth? Let's check out how our friends do it. First, our friends are gonna pour the hot asphalt into the ditch they just cut. Then they're gonna smooth it out with a rake. Then they're gonna use the whacker. Come on! They're pouring the hot asphalt into the ditch. They're gonna smooth it out with their special rake. This is called a roller or a steamroller. This is what they use to smooth out the pavement or the asphalt that they just laid down. That's how all of our sidewalks and our roads get smooth. Let's watch them in action. Whoa, here comes our friend driving the... Oh, look at all this old asphalt and concrete that our friends here at City Service picked up. Guess what it's in? You got it, it's a bin, but you know where this goes? That's right, on the back of a truck to go to the dump. All right. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for watching this episode of the Truck Mom. I hope you learned some cool new stuff. Well, I gotta go back to work. I got my seatbelt on, always very important. I'm ready to drive away in my truck. But before I go, I wanted to tell you, if there's more information you wanna learn or wanna see some pictures from today's episode, go to www.thetruckmom.com. That's www.thetruckmom.com. And if you loved this video, right below, there's a little button that says subscribe. So hit that subscribe button so you can see more episodes of The Truck Mom. Bye!